Did you know that a simple copper vessel can transform plain water into a powerful health tonic? This centuries-old Ayurvedic practice, known as copper-charged water, offers numerous benefits for your body and mind. Copper-charged water helps aid digestion by stimulating the rhythmic contractions of digestive muscles, ensuring smooth digestion. It also helps reduce acidity and bloating, which are common issues that disrupt the digestive system. With its natural antimicrobial properties, copper eliminates harmful bacteria and toxins, cleansing your body of Ayur, a term for toxins in Ayurveda. Copper plays a key role in breaking down fat cells into energy, improving metabolism, and supporting healthy weight management. It also harmonizes the body's doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, helping you achieve balance and vitality. Additionally, copper supports collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging, giving your skin a healthy, youthful glow. The antimicrobial properties of copper protect your body from infections, gradually enhancing your immunity over time. To prepare copper-charged water, start by selecting a vessel made from 100% pure copper, free from coatings or lacquers. Choose a size that fits your daily needs, with most people opting for a 1 to 2 liter vessel. Before use, clean the vessel thoroughly by washing it with warm water and mild detergent. For natural cleaning, use a mixture of lemon juice and salt or tamarind paste to remove oxidized layers. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers that can damage the copper. Next, fill the vessel with clean, filtered water. Tap water is also fine if it's safe for drinking. Leave about an inch of space at the top for easier handling. Place the filled vessel in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Allow the water to rest in the copper vessel for 6 to 8 hours. Overnight is ideal. This gives the water time to absorb beneficial copper ions. In the morning, pour the water into a glass and drink it on an empty stomach. Sip it slowly to maximize absorption and ensure your body reaps all the benefits. After drinking, rinse the vessel thoroughly and refill it with fresh water to ensure you always have copper-charged water ready for the next day. While copper-charged water is highly beneficial, it's important to take precautions. Avoid drinking more than 2 to 3 liters of copper-charged water daily to prevent copper toxicity. Use it as a supplement, not your sole source of hydration. Never store acidic beverages like lemon juice or vinegar in copper vessels, as they can react with the copper and cause harmful effects. If you're pregnant, nursing, or considering this for children, consult a healthcare professional before adding copper-charged water to their routine. Keep your copper vessel in a cool, dry place to prevent unnecessary oxidation and maintain its quality. With its impressive benefits for digestion, detoxification, immunity, and more, copper-charged water is a simple and natural way to enhance your health. By following these steps and precautions, you can easily incorporate this ancient Ayurvedic practice into your daily routine.